ready? One.
King Max Vlog.
Two. Zulun din. Hello. Me again. We are going to sa akong old school, old elementary school. Now going to this intersection, it is common sense. This is how you drive in the Philippines. What? Matumi sa akong elementary school sa San Isidro. Visit, pero makita si Riley o si Malin sa elementary school dire sa among barangay. Pagkira ito?
Dili.
Ha?
Dili.
Mo ni? Ay naman kasada, gamay naman kasada dire.
Gitarong.
Imuan na guys, San Isidro National High School po. So this is where I went to school after grade 6 before going to Canada.
Kanumantag.
Ha?
Kanumantag.
Ano dito po sa ako istorya?
Kanumantag.
Kanumantag?
Oo. Daga ma force malabi na to.
Hey, mabawa ko na yan. Oy!
Uy, kadlong! Bayo na ganda do?
Oo.
Alin ko part sa ito? Magawas ko diya, be?
Oo, magawas sila.
Ha?
Ano speaker?
Asa? Tanak ko. Tanak ko po rin pa. Okay na dali ito eh.
Okay man na.
Okay, we're gonna visit my old school. Okay guys, leave the gadget. Let's go. Malin, Riley.
Come on guys.
Bili na nalog. Lako. Watch. Come here.
Udah dito kasulod di ay?
Ha? Naman.
Let's go.
Hapon. Oh, naman mo plano man. Malin, may school ba rin? I was here. Let's see.
Klaro.
juice na mo.
What is that? A knife. Just a knife. Big knife.
Basta may mga bata, palitan mo mga kwalya ba? Snack niya, sa gawas.
Kanan?
Oo,
Kumuhang ko ano?
oo, sa gawas. Ano naman sa mga bulit dyan.
Kasi mapagkaon na dyan na mapagkaon. Ay pangatay sa mga bata.
Ano kay ano na naman ang
Feeding ka? Tagalog din sa feeding.
Kada mga biskwit ha.
Bago pa magkano feeling. Sila pa? Mga gulay kay
Friday, this is Marlin.
Hi guys!
This morning ako classroom ko sana. Bye! Say hi! Live sa aking channel. Say hi! Yay! Okay.
Malen, say bye! Tulo. Nako sticker na aperto kay. Ang mudaw ko wala ha.
Subscribe ka.
Isi. Oh, okay.
Subscribe ka. Tagaan ka na ako.
Kinsay maka-subscribe sa YouTube channel. Nay premium. Kinsay maka-subscribe. King Max Vlog.
Ako din!
King Max Vlog. King Max na. Di mo na naurot na.
Nasa YouTube!
Okay, nakapalo na. Maganda tama ba? Good. Isa.
Kayay!
Huwag kay Lord. Dawas na. Palun sa ito. This a new student? Here? This a new student. Don't understand it.
Hands up,
It's a
Max Vlog! Here, cheers!
O, dyan may nakapalaw na? Rodrigo!
Follow, kids, how many follow?
Oh, subscribe na si Dakare.
Kita mo subscribe.
Ah, loading.
Kaya mo na. Kita mo subscribe.
Gamitin akong cellphone, oh.
Subscribe message lang sa Facebook o sa Antonso. Tama, sa Paulit ko. Namo mo live sa Facebook ko.
Sikat na
Sa
siya.
Facebook ko.
Did you subscribe to YouTube channel in King Max Vlog? Are you sure?
English ano yan?
Ah, tulo, tulo, tulo.
Oh. Nakakuha ka to siya. Para sa siya.
Disney Princess. Ay, bound na. Bound tito. Wala kaila? Anay bound.
Chuche, basta kailang Marco.
Wala kaila si Max. Sa jamang kon.
Talo na. Sige.
Tagsiminta mo, tagsiminta.
Alright.
Oh, let's go. Ay, gambay pa may ugma man. Oh, mas pila pa sa ti. Mas pila pa. You wanna go to school? Uy, magklase pa mo. Muli naman na, magklase pa man.
Riley, Malin. Malin. Malin, Malin. I was like, yeah, like that. I wear slipper, I don't have shoes. I was like, exactly like you, of course. In here, I don't have the shoes, I have slippers. I have shoes. I don't have the shoes. I'm a slipper. I don't know, right? You know where I come from. That's my classroom there. When I was 6 years old, I was a coach. They were from there, I was still at work. Long time ago. Hello. Bye. Sige, bye.
Oh, siminta na. Asag siminta na ako, nipalo na ako. High school na putas, high school.
What's ready?
Ay,
One,
King Max Vlog.
two. I can move, I can move. I can wait, I can move, I can move. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Riley, where's Malin? Riley, Malin. Hey.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Malin. 1, 2. Jump. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Sige. Tigas.
Thank you. Boss.
Oh, nagana ka? Gay ko tadi. Bye.
Huwag naman to, sincere eh.
Muna ah. Sige. Subscribe ah.
Hindi na sila ibaw, nagpa. I'm back tomorrow.
Used to be grade 1, grade 2, grade 5. And really good scores last time. Salamat kayo. Back to school.
Yara, buska.
Ato ko sa high school kaniyo.
Buska. Sado.
Uy, class! Magsugod na mong klase! Yan pa nila tayo, magsugod na sila klase. Magsugod na sila klase.
Ayun sa high school. Salamat kayo. Oh. Ako nga.
Mag-feeding ko lang sila, Ugma. Feeding ka din. Wala siya kailang Marco.
Usa kailang Marco.
Naglayo ako kung nana, ginasarong mo din. Hilagan siya, daw ito kung kulma. Wala kailang ako Marco. Kasi kinaglayo ni mo, dihaw ni pasunay ko. Lagi.
Wala.
Good quality. Mato mo kuan, mato mo kuan.
Ato.
So matanda man to. Ah, nan open na na bisa nila.
Pag-stop na yun.
Na sige niya ko yaw. Ano way man ako?
Diba nga, patunigil nga, gusto pang muta. Tuloy pa sa immerso. Kapon sila sa ako ito niya.
Asa man siyang ginger ron?
Sa sila.
Ah, bantok eh.
Ang gabi mo po.
Kanya-kanya yung maglahag ron no.
Gijahanay. Sige, gijahanay.
Pernah.
Ha? What? Hey! Oh my God!
Kung mana din to.
Oh my God!
Napila nila.
Oh my God! Dumunik!
Naran nila man na?
Ha? Oh, sige. Yes, pwede nila. Okay lang, may mo. Tante, oh my God! May tante naman yan.
Ay, 30 no re.
Oh my God! Oh.
Oh my God.
Kasi magkusuri may sa high school. Susuri may dito kayo. Oh. Oh, sige. Yeah.
Riley.
Alright guys. Hello. We're here at my old elementary school in San Isidro. So I just visited and show Riley and Malin where I started my school here. Now this time we're going to be going to the high school. When I left an elementary school, this high school wasn't here. So this high school was built years after I left. So I'm going to show you the front of the high school here. So that was elementary high school San Isidro, and this is San Isidro High School. So we're gonna pasunod din eh. Pasunod din eh. Hello. Oh. Hello. 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 Oh. So this is the high school here in San Isidro. Yeah. Hi. Una kong anak. Diyan eskwela naman ang school. Oh. Yeah. Ha? Si Mangod Mario. So this is the high school. I did it in classroom. Okay. So everybody's in the class. So this is new. That's new there. So this kids got a basketball court, covered court. Have the stage. Huh? This is the high school here. High five. Ada. High five na yun. Oh, usap gaduhan eh. Grade 8. Oh, grade 8. Maray na, book mo sa grade 8 class. Galive ko sa akong Facebook. Hello. Say hi. Hello na yun. Say hi. Ayo. Atong sticker, no? Dapat sticker na? Ano ito sticker? Like sticker? Okay, sticker. Oh, next, sorry. Ikaw teacher. Ha?
Ah, okay.
Oh, stickers. Subscribe mo, tagaan mo kwarta, subscribe mo. Give one. Subscribe, game mo. Pakita ko, subscribe mo.
Share my surprise.
Oh. Yeah, they've got classes right now, so we can't really do much. Just gonna see our whole high school, and it's got a stage here. And it's got a cover court. This is just built. The stage over here. So I don't want to disturb the high school here. Everybody's in the class. Huh? Why? Oh, that's it. Last one. Oh. Sige.
Oh, nag-istorya lagi ko sa mga teacher. Pag uli ko no ani po sa unang mga pareho. Panahon dito sa
Guys, again, so we're here at San Isidro High School. You see? It's quiet. Everybody's in the class. So again, our next we'll be going to Sunshine Orphanage in Cabawan right after this. So I'm gonna go live over there. My battery is low on my camera right now, so I'm gonna end my video here. And I hope you enjoy my live stream and keep watching. There's more coming. All right, bye guys.